masterpiece. It's beautiful. It is.
So pretty. I love these in
I know,
so
isn't it fun? And look at this in there, the green.
Oh, fun.
Just
Yes.
lay it in. Let them dance. Talking the other day how everyone in Europe brings flowers instead of wine. They don't bring bottles of wine anymore, people. Bring flowers instead. Because people, when you bring flowers, everyone's like, oh, Nicolette brought me that. We're going to protect all the flowers on this little bouquet with Salal. Salal goes in here. You know, I'm just coloring the whole thing.
Yes. That is gorgeous, Jenny. Love it.
Beautiful. Market fresh it.
Do you need me to hold it? I'm pretty tight.
You may need a friend to hold this thing.
I love the little...
I almost got your finger.
You did get my finger. I'm like, oops.
Okay, sorry, girly. See, you could take that to a friend. You can pop it in a vase.
Freaking amazing.
Then you don't have to design it. You did all the hard work,
Right?
for it.